101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Yes, I'm here, me, Redia Cesarils, of course. As I usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program with Smart FM, namely Smart Up Your Life, English discussion with English communities in Makassar. And of course, as I usually, I'm not alone here. We have already friends from a few communities in Makassar. Okay, let's say it out. Hi guys. Hi. How are you? Okay, nice to meet you guys. Oh my God, we have a guest here and from a views and many English communities in Makassar, as I mentioned just now. Okay, but anyway, before we are going to talking about our topic for this evening, of course, we have to introduce themselves, each other, one by one. Who are they and what representative of meeting club they are? Okay, maybe from you, yeah. Could you introduce yourself?
Check.
What is your name? Okay, it's okay. What is your name? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule, please? What about the schedule, the
Hi.
timing?
So,
Yes.
hi guys, my name is Inna.
Hi, Inna.
Hi. Okay, I am the representative of Max, one of the
Max.
best communities in
Mm.
in Makassar. Okay, we have meeting every Thursday, and Saturday with different topic and very interesting article.
Three times.
A
in
week. Yes.
O'clock. What about?
It's after Asar. Sometimes it's about 4 p.m. until 6 p.m. So you have 2 hours full time to improve your speaking skill.
Yeah. Okay. Welcome, Inna, to our program in English program with English communities from Max. Inna. Okay. Next. Oh, quadrant. Okay. Could you introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home? What is your name? What is your meeting club? And what about the schedule, please?
Okay, thank you for the chance. Hello everyone, my name is Inna also.
Inna.
So here's Inna team.
Yes.
Yes, I'm from KMC. KMC is Kahfi English Meeting Club.
Oh,
yes.
wow.
So
What about the schedule?
Yeah, the schedule is actually situational.
Oh, okay.
Because the members of Kahfi is from KMC is from Kahfi.
Kahfi,
Yes, Kahfi-
University students.
Kahfi is motivator school. Yes.
Oh, wow.
So the meeting club only for the members of Kahfi. So the schedule is really situational.
Okay, it's about this. It's depend, right?
Yes,
it's depend on the
depend
situation
on-
actually.
yes.
Okay, welcome Inna also.
Thank
Our
you.
program, English program. Okay, next, please. Okay, you are very popular here.
Okay.
Come on, introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmad Ariandi. You can call me Rian.
Hi, Rian.
I'm from BPEC. BPEC is the oldest community in Makassar.
Wow, all this.
Yeah, and it starts.
How many years already, BBC? About
about
30.
37 maybe.
Oh, wow, 37. Ooh. What about the schedule, Rian?
The schedule is it starts at 10 a.m. Until 2 p.m. on Sunday.
The location?
The location in Fort Rotterdam.
Waiting for
Yes.
Rotterdam. Okay,
Yes.
welcome to our
Okay,
home.
thank you.
Rian. Okay, next. Could you introduce yourself to smart viewers and listeners at home? What is your name, your meeting club, and about the schedule, please?
Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Fitriani Ayuningsi, but you can call me Fitri or Pito.
Hi, Fitri.
Okay.
Fito.
I'm from Ambreos community.
What stand for?
In Tuesday and Friday.
That stand for abbreviation. What is the?
American, British, Australian community.
Wow.
Since 2020.
Oh, 2020.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So I can call you Fitri.
Okay.
The schedule, sorry, is
Tuesday and Friday. Actually.
Twice.
Yeah.
In a week.
Yeah.
Okay, welcome Fitri
Okay.
to our
Thank you.
Tuesday and Friday.
sometimes for 4 p.m.
4 p.m.
Yeah.
until.
until done.
Yes, of course, absolutely. Yeah, definitely. Okay, welcome, Fitri.
Okay, thank you.
Are you ready, guys? Okay, before running our discussion of topic for this evening, of course, first of all, I would like to explain about our topic for this evening. Talking about human being, of course, human being always have a moody feeling. Moody feeling, because it's always change, and change. Sometimes happy, sometimes sad, sometimes have a good spirit, sometimes not, and etc. So it's like very fluctuative, something that up and down and up, then up and down. And of course, when we're talking about how to build the positive mood, of course we will talking about booster, but in this case not about vaccine, but the case of element or the factor that can make us to happy, to stronger, to be how to say extra mild person, to be amazing, and etc. That's why we call that as mood booster, and our topic for this evening is mood booster. Give it applause for us. Yes, as I mentioned just now that our topic for this evening is mood booster. That's why I will ask to our friends what about what is actually their opinion about this topic for this evening. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay, so for me, I actually quite interesting about today's topic because it talk about mood booster, which is every person has that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really excited to talk about that and then discuss with you guys. So,
So
okay.
you're very excited.
Yeah, very excited, you know.
Okay, maybe you can keep your statement.
Okay.
Thank you. Very excited. Okay, what about you, Ina? What is your reaction when you first time hear this topic?
Okay, same with Inna also. Yes,
Yeah.
it's really interesting topic. Yeah,
Mhm.
because everyone has something to make their mood increase
Mhm.
or boost their mood. So when I hear this topic, I think that I have a lot of kind of mood booster.
Oh, I'm
Yes.
wondering. Okay, but
Okay.
keep your statement. Okay,
Okay.
I will move to another speakers. Okay, what about you, Brian?
Okay,
What is your reaction when you got or heard for the first time this topic?
Okay, talking about the mood booster. Okay, mood booster.
It sounds
is-
like a vaccine.
no.
Okay.
Talking about the mood booster itself, mood booster is interesting topic to talk about, and someone has a mood has their own mood booster.
Yeah.
Something like maybe animal food or any else.
So,
Yeah, I feel
Mhm.
so excited to hear that.
You too.
Yeah.
You too.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Brian. Okay, what about you, Fitri? Which one is correct, Fitri or Fitri?
Fitri.
Huh?
Not three. Three
Because you're
actually.
from Ambrios, of course.
Yeah.
So I call you Fitri, right?
It's
Kidding.
okay, actually.
Bercanda. It's very viral, Bercanda. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Please come on.
I think this topic is very interesting. A mood booster, especially for women that sometimes get moody. And I mean,
Okay.
So, that really interesting to discuss about this because maybe we need to know everyone mood booster or how to improve their if they're not feeling good, something like that. I mean.
I feel good. Okay, my next question. Okay, still you.
Okay.
My next question: what kind of mood booster do you have actually? I mean, that you feel it.
What kind of mood
Yeah.
booster?
That make you happy, stronger, have a stronger power, and etc. Yeah. What kind?
I think I have a lot of mood booster.
Like?
Something like in the morning when I listen to music, I
Uh-huh.
feel my mood booster is high.
Oh, really? Okay.
And in
What
the
about the
morning,
tea or animal?
no, I'm not sure about it.
Mm.
But when I get message from my crush in the morning, I'm feeling good.
Oh
Yeah.
my god. Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Especially when I want to go to the campus, I
Mhm.
really need to make my feeling good
Uh-huh,
because
uh-huh.
when
Oh my
we go
God.
to the campus, we have to do something a lot
Mm.
of in the campus, and then
Uh-huh.
it's hard to do that if our feeling is not good.
Yeah, because in the morning it's very determine your mood,
Yeah.
your energy until how many times? 24 hours maybe. Yeah. in a
Until we
day.
sleep
In a
again,
day.
yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Okay,
something
thank you.
like that.
What about you, Rian? What kind of what kind of mood booster do you have? You say just no animal. What
Yes.
kind of animal you mean?
Cat.
Cat.
Yes.
Cat lovers? Are you?
I am not really,
But
but in my house there is a cat. Like
Mhm.
if I wake up in the morning
Mhm.
and see the cat
Oh.
moving around,
Okay, but why cat?
huh?
Why?
Because cat is cute.
Maybe you have a special name for your cat. What gender maybe of your cat?
Huh?
What the name? Your cat?
I name?
No, the cat.
Yeah, the name of my cat.
Uh-huh.
There are a lot of cat.
A
in my
lot
house.
of.
Yes.
Okay, come on, just mention one by one. How many? 10 or 20 cats?
Maybe 6 cat.
6
yes.
cats.
Yeah.
Okay, who are they?
Including the kitten.
Okay, who are they? The name?
The 3 kitten.
No name?
Belum dikasih nama.
Oh yeah, no name.
Yeah, no
and
name.
the 3 of them?
The 3 of them. They are.
Hmm?
The one is with
Yeah.
white and black color.
Uh-huh.
I name it Oreo. Oreo.
Bought them.
Yeah.
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 Oh my god. Okay, Oreo, but Oreo, white Oreo, black Oreo, right?
Black and white.
Black. Oh my god. What about the other? Because you say consists of 3, right?
The second is Juju.
Juju.
Yeah, Juju.
Like Korean name. No, curious. So, it's really cute.
Because the color of the cat is orange,
Mm-hmm.
and
Like,
yeah,
like a label.
the
Mhm.
firstly I want to name it Simba because because
Like a king.
yeah,
Simba, right?
Simba.
Mm.
Because when
With the cat.
when the cat how to say
Mhm.
sound, it's like a lion.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
so
why you want to name it
Name is Simba.
Simba.
But my sister.
But cancel.
Yeah, but it cancel. It's become Juju.
Oh, okay. Nice name. Okay, thank you, Brian. Okay, what about you? What kind of mood booster do you have?
I said I have a lot of mood
Mm.
booster. One of them is coffee.
Coffee?
Yes, drink
The drink
coffee.
coffee?
Yes,
Okay,
I
okay.
really like drink coffee. If I got tired
Mhm.
or have problem. But I like to drink coffee. I like to go to cafe and drink any kind of coffee.
How long the time did you go that the coffee is can make you relax?
Science college.
College.
Yeah.
How many times ago? How many years?
Some years ago lah. Some years ago.
Before the I mean like coffee is viral before.
Yeah, before viral. Yes.
Okay. So
And
the image, I mean like you are looks like orang tua. Because you were viral.
But now it's a dream for the young people.
Yeah, that's why.
Yes.
But before.
But before I already like it before the viral. Yeah.
What about traveling? I mean, when you see the beautiful view, what about?
Yes. Yeah. I like also, especially for the beach. I like
mountain.
I like also, but I
rather
yes. I prefer
River.
beach rather than mountain.
Okay.
Yes. And actually, it's easy to make my mood boost.
You like beach?
Boosting. Yes, because
yeah. Okay, come on, continue.
yes, because like just have enough sleep. It can boosting my mood, and also like see the cat. Yeah, but I don't have cat.
Okay.
Yes, but just see
her.
the
Because you have a lot.
I can to take care of cat. So I don't have one. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. What about you, Inna, also?
Okay, for me, actually, it depends on the situations. For example, I'm feeling little lonely because I am an extrovert, by the way. So, okay, so
Are you?
Yeah, extroverts. For extroverts, being lonely.
You too?
Okay, being lonely isn't a really great thing. So sometimes we hang out with our friends, and also hang out with our friends. If I feel a little bit burnt out, I try to skip all of my job and then be with myself. If I feel unmotivated, I just listen to some podcasts, motivations podcasts like that. So it's depend on the situations, by the way.
What about the the how to say a food or maybe drink like that? Do you have a?
I'm not a big fan of food. I mean, just like you can give me everything. You know, I'm not. Oh my God! Oh, food! I like it. No.
What about the money?
Oh, money! Oh gosh! Of course, like, yeah. Everyone loves money. Who doesn't? Okay.
Everybody.
Yeah.
That
so
makes sense.
So yes, money is the best one. Okay.
everyone, smart viewers and listeners at home, of course. Also, you like motivate content?
Yes, talk about self-development, self-improvement. Also, yes.
Okay. Actually, we are similar. Three of them.
Oh my God!
Yeah, because
we have to hang out.
So you like discussion to discuss about self-development, to discuss about how to improve, how to make a better growth, something like that.
Yes, I do love, but I am not a big thinker, by the way. I mean, extroverts sometimes, they just do whatever they want without thinking first. Yes, right? Like,
definitely.
Not really different with introvert ones. They think a lot and do that.
They have to base on the rules.
Yeah.
Very.
Very, very. So, what was the question?
Yeah. What about the question? Yeah, it's a flowing, kind. Yeah.
Okay,
Do
that's
you have
fine.
another?
Scenery. I am a nature person. I love nature person.
Okay.
I love to be surrounded by natures. I love the sky. So sometimes when I feel sad, like I cannot write anything. I just look the sky. Oh my god, the sky is so wide. It's okay. You're just the small one. Like it's gonna be fine
And
tomorrow.
you see the langit, langit. Bisa kau turunkan hujan.
No, of course.
No.
Yeah, just like feeling well when I see the sky and also the sunset.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Inna. And my next question is, what is the beneficial or the benefit when we know the things that we can make ourselves good, good feeling, good motivation, good energy? Yeah. What I mean, like, what is the benefit when we know our mood booster? Who gonna want to say or answer the first? Okay. What is the benefit
Okay.
when we know our mood booster?
Okay, when I know my mood booster is, I feel my energy is full up and
How many
and-
person? How many percentage?
What?
When you reveal your mood,
Huh?
full.
90%.
Yeah. Continue, please, Rin.
And the benefit is, if I know my mood booster
Yeah.
is, I get the spirit and my mood, when I listening to music and
What kind of music? K-pop?
any kind.
Any kind?
Yes.
Dangdut song? No.
Any kind of music, I like it.
All of genre.
Yeah, all
You
of-
like?
yes.
It's depend on the song, right?
Yeah, depend of the song.
So it means that you can maximize it.
Yeah.
You mean you can maximize your mood
Yeah.
when you know your mood booster.
And also playing game.
Or playing games.
Yes.
So because you, enjoy or better, feel better.
Yeah, feel better when I playing game.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Fitri? Yeah, when you know what is the benefit when you know your mood booster?
The benefit when I know my mood booster is
Yeah.
like when I got my bad booster, I'm gonna.
You mean bad mood?
Yeah. I will find my mood booster, like go to healing with my best friend, or maybe
And go to playing kite,
what is that?
layang-layang.
or maybe just in the cars and dancing in the cars.
Oh.
Not, but it's dangdut actually. With my best friend over there.
Okay, keep your statement. We will be right back after this 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. Smart viewers and listeners at home. 101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia. We are back. Hi guys. Hi. Are you still okay? Yeah, of course, give big applause for us. Okay, still with us here, Ambrose, BPEC, KMC, and Max. Okay, continue, please. Okay, the benefit if you know your mood booster. You say just now that you mentioned that you like dancing, you like singing,
Yeah.
and the dangdut song. Oh my god. Okay,
Yeah.
why do you like dancing and singing?
I don't know. Actually, I have a very bad voice, but I like to singing and I like dancing because when I dancing with my bestie, I feel like I
Which one is best, Ila?
yeah, of course. We're dancing every single day almost.
Okay.
Yeah, when the benefit when we know our mood booster is we can find our mood booster when we get
You get easily,
yeah,
easily to change
Yeah.
from bad to good.
yeah,
Right?
yeah, yeah, something like that.
It's short, right?
Yeah.
It's short to change your mood.
Yeah, sort. Yeah, I think just
Okay. What about you?
Okay.
What is the benefit you feel when you know your mood booster?
Okay, so the benefit of you knowing your mood booster, it maybe you will have more time because you don't need to looking for others mood booster again because you already know. Oh my god, I'm feeling this kind of feeling. I do this.
Yeah, you know, sometimes when we, not sometimes, but oftenly, the peoples, when they are very hard to find their mood booster, they got stress. Very stress. It's, you know, and the climax of the stress is like bunuh diri.
Okay.
Yeah, oh my god, it's extreme. Yeah, suicide. Yeah,
Yes.
suicide. But yeah, the benefit maybe you can express that when you find for easily what the another level you feel it when you easy to find your mood booster.
The level?
Yeah.
The level of
The other side, the other reason, the other feeling. I mean, like that.
I actually
Do you get the point?
actually didn't get a point by the like how,
Okay,
what
I mean-
kind of
I
thing?
mean, I mean, like the another level is like the other reason, the other reason, except easy to find, easy to change from bad to good. What another benefit?
What another benefit of having your mood booster? Okay, that's quite interesting questions. I haven't thought about that by the way. I need to think.
It.
Yes, I
You're
need
still
to think.
skating. Oh my god!
I need to think first.
Yeah.
Like who I am.
Maybe I can face the people's because I can be magic to myself. Okay, from bad to good. Okay, I can face my gas already. So it's you can control the situation, right? The another. You can control the situation because you can, because you continue your life from bad to positive.
Positive.
I mean, you're another idea, another feeling.
Another feeling after.
Yes.
Okay, so
Yeah, you want to keep your
yeah,
statement.
I want to keep my statement.
Okay.
Can you?
Okay, you can keep. Okay, keep your statement. Okay, what the benefit?
Okay, the benefit is, of course, it's easy, easy to feel happy again. Because the mood already changed, and of course, we can face another person with a good mood. Yeah, after
In another situation.
yes, betul. That's right. Yeah, and then the other benefits is we can now how to be happy. How to be happy. Seems like me, I drink coffee or watch horror movie, and then
It's simple, yeah?
yes,
Actually.
really simple to
like-
put my.
Like Mr. Simple tarik Mr. Simple.
Do you like soju? I think you are K-popers.
Are you? K-popers?
Yes, I like K-pop music, but because my age not
Because you are a
really
dancer?
no. I know. I wear.
Oh, you.
I wear, yes. When
you're a competitor. dancing.
Yes, because the Korean dance is energetic because so that's why I
And
like.
can also boosting.
Yes, at the time, but now
no.
no, not really. Yes.
Now it's changed with money.
That's the first, right? Everyone. The first thing is money because with money we can do whatever we want, like drink coffee everywhere, drink coffee in Bali.
Oh my god. Only for a cup of coffee you fly to Bali.
No,
Oh
no,
my-
kidding.
oh my- It's okay.
Yeah, okay.
When you
If
got
you
rich.
have, yes, if we are sultan, right?
Oh. Okay, next. Do you get the point? Do you have any idea? Another idea?
Okay.
Okay,
The
try.
the
It
another.
works.
So, okay. After your question is how do you feel after you have your mood booster, right?
Yeah.
That kind of
Yeah, the
questions.
benefit actually, specifically the benefit.
Okay, so actually some same with the others. You can't you booster your mood. For example, you have a very very tiring days, and then after you do your mood booster, it will boost your self again. So you have a spirit again to continue the rest of your life.
Okay, it's so you can how to say controlling to be better.
Yes.
You know what you want by short way because you easily to know your booster of mood, right?
Yes.
Okay, my next question is, what will happen if someone or people's a college of people's cannot find their mood booster? What will happen? Okay, Inna. How do you call blue Inna, the blue hijab Inna, the
And the
green?
green.
Okay.
There are two Inna. Okay.
What will happen?
Of course, they will feel stress. Yeah, or they can face another person, or maybe just hard to control their self. Yeah, and I think someone that feel hard to find their
And also
mood.
maybe sensitive.
So,
I mean,
yeah, of
like-
course, yes.
Like emotion maybe.
Yeah, of course, because they have a bad mood.
Yeah.
And another person need to help them to find out. Maybe because they are
You will be there.
introvert person, so she or he just always do something alone in the home.
Oh yeah.
So another person can help them to find out their mood booster.
Yeah, you know, sometimes when we discuss with our friends, not sometimes, but all often we can better because we share,
share, yes.
our expression, our idea, our problem. Yeah,
Yes.
sometimes. Yeah,
Yes.
because we feel like how to say in English something like that.
Relief,
Yeah, relief. Yeah, relief, but not relief. Yeah, but relief.
Relief.
Yeah. Okay, what about you? What will happen when someone or people cannot find their mood booster?
Okay, so some with Inna, some with her. You will get stress, and then you will just lock yourself at your room.
Do you have the key?
Because when you feel stressed, you don't want to meet with anybody. You just want to be alone. You just need your times. But I think it might be also one of the their mood boosters, maybe like looking
Lay down while
like
eating.
a couch potato, couch potato, kau berbahan,
yeah.
yes. They like to be, lie down the whole day. Yeah, you will get stressed easily. You're being sensitive to other person. So for you guys, if you haven't found your mood boosters, it's better to find it now.
It's danger, right?
Yeah, it's dangerous. But I'm actually curious. Is there anybody who doesn't know their mood booster? I'm actually curious about that.
Yeah, sometimes how people can't.
Like you said earlier, introvert person. I think when you say they want to be alone at their house, I think that is their mood booster.
Yeah.
They
Sometimes we cannot categorize the people
Yes,
extrovert and extrovert, but it's depend on the personality. Actually, the people, the individual. I mean, something like that. Yeah.
So they just wanted to be alone. I also have very, very introvert friends, and she said, when you see introvert eat alone, don't disturb her.
They alone.
Yes,
but
he just want to be alone like that.
they alone.
Yes.
But they calling by group of WhatsApp. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. What about you, Fitri? Is it correct, Fitri? Fitri. Yeah. What will
What the
happen? What will happen if someone or the people's can't find their mood booster?
I think I
Or they get crazy?
no, but they will stress, of course,
Mm-hmm.
and then I have experience actually.
You have experience to be
Not-
stressed?
No, that time I broke with my boyfriend.
Whoa!
Actually, I know my mood booster, but
Okay.
I do all the mood booster, but it's not how to say mempan.
It's not
like
works. It's not works.
It's not works.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just lock myself in the room and
Do you have the key?
no, there's anyone can open the door.
Anybody home? Oh, okay, continue.
Yeah, I just like I lock myself
Oh
and
my
then I become annoying a person and yeah, I think we all need our mood booster. We really need to find our mood booster, maybe in some food or someone, something like that.
And you get weak? I mean, overweight when you look your
Actually, maybe yeah, maybe no. I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
Yeah.
So how long time you lock your room?
Maybe for month.
4 months?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I with him very long, like since 2000.
But I'm sure you have a many, how to say, reference of K-pop maybe or drama on your laptop because you're spending your time to watch a movie,
Yeah,
right? And
yeah.
you log. Oh,
I mean like yeah, since 2016 until 2021.
before COVID-19.
Yeah, before.
So you already locked down before COVID-19 coming. Oh, this is a
Yeah, I
wonderful. Oh my God.
Yeah.
It's very interesting. Okay, give your statement. Okay, what about you? What will happen if someone cannot find their pet booster?
Okay, I think same with everyone who have talked.
Don't copy that.
It will be stressful
Uh-huh.
and they will get crazy maybe
And
and
crazy. Oh my
Yes.
God. Which one? Crazy in money, crazy in love, or crazy?
Both.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah. They will stress.
Maybe
Uh,
they
uh,
will
mm.
feel insecure. Maybe.
Yeah, insecure.
The effect. One of them.
The insecure of the people. I mean, if they meet the people,
I
they
know why they insecure for the people
because
because for a long time they not took a bath. Right?
yes. maybe.
Yeah.
Because maybe they insecure because they already overweight. Because he locked down herself.
Are you kidding? Please be serious. Okay.
Okay.
What about others?
Another thing that it will be like you will be you will not be yourself because you get stressed, you get crazy, and you feel nothing.
Yeah. Okay. My next question. Thank you, Ryan. How do you feel about the people who their mood booster is shopaholic? They have to be buying expensive items. Yeah. How do you feel, guys? The people who always, but because they how to say their solution is only to buying expensive items. How do you think about the people like that? Okay, you. How do you think about the people like that?
I think that based on that person, maybe if they rich, it's okay.
But
And they use their own money, it's okay. I think because but if you are poor, I think it's not a good idea.
but is that normal? That habit. Is that normal?
It's habit.
No, I ask you.
Or
Is that normal?
if it's becoming a habit, it's not normal actually, because
Even they're rich.
even they rich.
Uh-huh.
Because if you rich and you always buy expensive things,
Yes.
that maybe that make you become poor.
You are very honest. Thank you. What about you, Inna, the green one? How do you think about the people who?
The green one.
How do you think about the people who spending their time to Sepaholic because their mood booster is something like that?
That's okay to make them happy. Yes, just spend money. You know,
Is that normal?
they are rich. They are affluent. So that the reason they want to, the reason they work hard is to waste their money. So it's okay, and they feeling okay. I think it's okay. It's better.
Wannabe?
I'm sorry.
Wannabe?
Wannabe?
Uh-huh. Wannabe?
Not really. I'm trying to keep my money, like, you know.
You're invest, right?
Yeah, for my
your
investment.
money.
And also my like what she say that for the poor people that is not a good idea. It's really bad idea, by the way. I think you need to looking for another cheaper mood booster. Like maybe you haven't really experienced everything. Maybe by doing something that you really love can make you feel better. Okay.
So just like that's normal.
Yeah, that's normal for the rich ones.
It's common phenomenon.
Yes, for not the spoiled one, yeah. The spoiled daughter. They sometimes spending their money without
really?
even thinking. Yes.
So
It's
it's talkative. Hemat.
yeah, saving. Yeah. So for that daughter, I think they need to be taught by their parents that spending money sometimes is okay, sometimes isn't okay. If you need that things, buy it. If you don't,
it's depend on the dompet.
yes, their wallet, their money.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Brian? Yeah, how do you think about the people spending their a lot of money to shopping because their mood booster is buying the expensive one?
Okay, I think that person I think it's a normal because they are rich. But if you if it happened to me, maybe for example, I want to
yeah. Come on.
I want to buy iPhone 14, for example, but I don't have enough money to buy that.
But I suggest you to buy iPhone 17.
iPhone 7, yeah.
Yes.
the cheapest one. At least I have iPhone.
Oh, hate of iPhone. Oh no, don't mention the brand here. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh my god.
Yeah, even the cheapest one. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. What about you in the blue one? Do you get a copy? Do you copy? Do you copy?
Okay, my opinion, actually, it's not really normal
It's
because
not really normal.
even you are a rich person, because we buy something expensive, not because our mood is bad, but we need to buy expensive things because the function or maybe the quality of the things is better than the cheap. That's the normal reason. But if you just have reason because to boast your mood, even though you are rich, it's not normal for me.
Buy your needs, but
Yes.
not by your willing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. Makes sense. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, but before we continue our conversation, please prepare yourself to give conclusion, guys. Give your vocabularies, your idioms, your final words, your wise word. Yeah, because we still have time, a few minutes. Okay, you. Inna, the green one. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
So, in my conclusion for our evening topic is mood booster is something that make you happy, make you feel better, and then something that you really need to keep doing in order not to be stressed. Okay, that is.
Okay, thank you. What about you? The blue one.
Okay.
What is your conclusion?
Yes, my conclusion is mood booster is something that we need to find because it makes our mood better, and also I think everyone have different kind of mood booster, and
different
then
mood booster, different style, different character.
yes, and
Any else?
for me,
For me,
for me, it's really easy to find my mood booster and to do it.
Oh,
Thank
good. Me too. Alhamdulillah. Okay. What about you? What
Okay.
is your conclusion about our discussion?
Okay, my conclusion about this topic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whatever your mood booster is, at least you enjoy with yourself. Whatever your mood booster, and we have to enjoy it. Because if you
I see.
if you have a mood booster but you do not enjoy your enjoy with that.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Ria.
Yes.
Question: have you got vaccine or booster? No, kidding. Bercanda. Okay, what about you, Fitri? What is your conclusion for
my
this evening?
conclusion about this topic today? I think a mood booster is something or someone that build our happiness.
May I underline? Mood booster is someone. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, continue,
I'm
Fitri.
single actually.
Yeah.
Something or someone
Oh yeah. Someone.
that build our happiness
Okay, continue, please.
from a bad mood to a good mood. I think that's it.
And the most important today, this minute, you are happy
Of course,
because you're good. You're mood booster, right?
Yeah.
By our discussion.
Yes, of
Right?
course. I'm
Okay,
really happy.
even not someone special, right? Okay.
Sorry.
kidding. Okay, now maybe do you have vocabularies?
Yeah.
Okay, vocabularies or idiom or final statement, please.
Only one vocabulary.
Okay, please translate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
The vocabulary is willing.
What is?
Kemauan.
Okay.
Willing.
Willingness. Yeah.
Willing.
What about final statement? You have final statement? No.
No.
Okay. What about you? In that the green one,
Okay.
do you have vocabularies or idioms?
I
or
actually
final
have idioms.
Okay, please.
Cross an arm and a leg.
What
have you
is the
heard?
mean?
It's it actually means very expensive. Arti the meaning.
No, you have to. When I say translate,
Oh.
please say in bahasa.
Okay.
You don't speak in English.
Seharga lengan dan kaki. Karena it's idiom, right?
Oh, yeah,
So kind of we cannot take out our
Okay.
so it means very expensive.
Unity, integrity. No.
No.
Okay, thank you. Okay, what about you? When I say translate, do not say in English, but say in bahasa, please. Do you have idiom or maybe vocabularies or final words or wise words?
Vocabulary.
Yes, what is?
The vocabulary is increase.
What is that?
Increase is meningkatkan. Seems
Okay.
like bus.
I say in bahasa.
Sama seperti bus.
That's the point. Any else? No?
No.
Thank you. What about you, Fitri? Do you have vocabularies or idioms or final words? Yes, slang.
Maybe idioms.
Please.
I got this from my lecture actually. The idioms.
Your lecture give you.
Nah,
Okay.
he mentioned it. She mentioned it, and I hear it.
Okay, come on.
Break the ice.
Mhm.
It's mean
Yeah, come on.
kayak kayak tenang, kasih hening begitu nih. Something like
Memecahkan
that.
suasana.
Ya, memecahkan
Ya, mencairkan suasana.
Iya.
Ya.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Fitri. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Inna, the green one. Thank you, Inna, the blue one. Thank you, Brian. From BPC, from Andreas Fitri. Yeah, thank you, Max. Thank you, KMC. That's all our conversation for our program in English program, Smart Up Your Life with English Community. With the topic is mood booster. So stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1. We will be right back on as usually on Tuesday at 7 p.m. for the next week. See you. Bye bye.